Hey everyone, welcome to Trading Oxygen YouTube page. Today is Sunday, and as usual on Sunday we do a weekly analysis for the upcoming week. This Sunday is the best day when you can open your chart and you can do the analysis for the upcoming week. Remember, the accuracy of our chart analysis is great. The last week went exactly what we have predicted, and we captured 7,500 points in alone in BTC. Okay, so this time also we will try to do an honest analysis that what BTC can do, what ETH can do, and then we will see that how the upcoming week unfolds for us, right? So to start with, this is the weekly chart in front of us. Without even saying that, weekly chart is saying that yes, it has already created a support here, which is nothing but a weekly support. And I always say that keep marking, keep putting the thing which is there. So this is nothing but a weekly support. Okay. And then what else we have? We have this, which is the weekly resistance, I would say. Okay. So weekly resistance. Yep. So we can, even because it's a weekly chart, that will be, we can make the weekly resistance, yeah, from here. Okay. Now, what else we have? What we do is we take and we put a fib, which is our favorite tool. We start from here and we go till here, and we see that this is our weekly fib retracement. Okay. So what is this? This is my fib retracement, weekly fib retracement for buying. Why? Because the prices will come from here, will take a U-turn, will take the retracement, and will go for again for buying. Okay. Now, this is what we have for a weekly thing. Is there anything else what is happening on week? Is there any chart pattern? Yes, there was a double uh, upside, like an AM pattern what created. The AM pattern target has already been achieved here. The W pattern it created, the W chart has already been prepared. Now it is again trying to create a AM pattern here, right? Here. Now the AM pattern like this on a weekly time, which can be a again, so what it weekly trying to say that this is what the prices is gonna be here, but we'll see that what the daytime is saying. On a daytime, uh is there something happening on a daytime? Yes, on a daytime this is something, not a great slope, but still there's a trend line going on. But you know what, this is not a great angle of a trend line, so we'll not go for it. Okay, so what we should do is we should see that from here to here fib is already here. Okay, from here till here it must be the zero point 0.5 area where the prices are hovering currently. We'll see that. Okay, yep, you're seeing the magic here. This is what I always say, the fib is nothing, it's a price action absolutely on a zero point 0.5 to zero point 0.6 area where the daily time frame is staying on a daily basis, right? So what we should do, let's mark this level as well. This is my daily fib. Okay, so this is my daytime fib retracement for buying. Okay, fine. Now, why I'm touching this? Okay, now what else daytime is trying to say? On a daytime, it is trying to say that it is prices are like this. What else the daytime is denotes? The daytime is also saying like this. like this, and like this. Okay, and we'll just, because we don't want many thing on a chart, we will just remove this background and we'll make this like this. Okay, what datetime is trying to say that price will went up here, it didn't went up because there is a weekly resistance, came down again, it came down. There's a chance that now the weekly resistance and the prices are sitting. Maybe today is the day or tomorrow is the day when prices will again touch this and will come down heavily. Okay, we'll see that what is happening on a 4 hours. Yeah, on a 4 hours, what it says that prices is again and again taking a resistance from a, which is the weekly resistance, which is our daily resistance as well. And now prices from a long time due to weekend are here only. Okay, and it is trying to create a mini bullish flag. But remember, the mini bullish flag can go and can again take. So I definitely not saying that you should go for a bigger target for a buying. Even if you're taking a trade for a buying, eh, take a low target and come back, because once price will take a liquidity from here for sure, and then it's gonna come down heavily. Okay. Now we'll see on a 1 hour what is happening. On a 1 hour, prices are sideways. There's nothing which is 1 hour is saying. It went like this, then it's going like this. No, not at all help on a 1 hour. 30 minutes, no. Look at this. Like a heart ECG. This is how the prices are behaving in a BTC lately. Now, what if you ask me, right? What can happen? Because I'll not go to the 15 minute because the prices are shit sideways. I should not even go there. What can happen is if I go back to the 1 hour, on a 1 hour, what can happen that prices may touch the upper layer again. Okay, here, like this. Okay, this, this maybe it will take a time spent more here. Will go back again upside and it will touch this because it's near to this, and then prices will come down the way the price action is working currently. Or rather, the next view it can be, if I go back to the 4 hours, on a 4 hour, if you see, although it should not happen, but still, if the prices, because today is a Sunday and Sunday weekly something unexpected happens and prices comes down like this, then definitely it is going up here. Okay, now if because the war time and there are some crazy statements coming from Trump, it keep on coming from Trump, and if it crosses this area, then we are ready for a fib retracement also here. Okay, so this is what the weekly analysis, guys. Please mark this level in your chart. Remember, my chart can be difference can be from your chart. So remember, whatever trade you're taking for BTC, you make sure that my level should match, then you should use for the same exchange chart. Otherwise, go for a candle, because my candle, your candle will definitely will be same. Okay. Having said that, let's see what ETH is doing. Okay. Okay, so let's see ETH on a weekly time frame first, because we are doing analysis for the upcoming week. On upcoming week, the ETH price action is quite different from BTC, honestly. Okay, so this is what the I would say the support on a weekly time frame. Okay, should tell you what I'm doing here. So this is my weekly support. Okay, any resistance coming? Yes, the resistance is coming here. This is my weekly resistance. the bigger resistance. Okay, this is my weekly bigger support, but if you see, this is also taken as a resistance here, which is also a weekly one. Weekly daily support. Okay, is there any else which weekly is trying to say? No. Can we apply fib here? Till here, there's no point. Again, the prices would have come to zero point 0.5 area, have gone back again, and now coming again. It has also crossed the zero point 0.5 area. So what ETH is trying to say, ETH is saying that if you mark the level from here to here, this is a zero point 0.5 area. ETH is already in the zero point 0.5 area. It has already crossed zero point 0.5 area once, and now it is on the different area. So what we should do is the ETH, rather than this, we should put the fib like this. Okay, and which we should say that, and we should go to the daily chart as well. And on a daily chart, let me put the daily chart. This is the daily chart. And if I go from here to here, this has become my 0.5, zero point 0.6 area where the price is exactly took a support. If you see, guys, you start using fib, your price action will be very, very easy. I didn't know about the price will stop here, but the prices are still stopping here. So this is my daily fib retracement, okay, for buying. Okay, if the prices has to up from here, it is has to up for buying. Okay, but if it's crossed this, there will be a bigger selling till here, which is nothing but my daily resist support. Now, is there anything else which daily is trying to create? Daily, like BTC, there was a channel was coming, not a good angle, but it took a breakout. Is there anything else? No. Let's go back to 4 hours then, like this here. Now, what 4 hours trying to say? 4 hours trying to say that it was sideways. Okay, it was sideways like this. Then prices trapped all the buyers, came down heavily. From here, it went up again. Okay, then it is still in a box. The box has been broken here, and it has gone till the fib, and again took the retracement from here. So what it's trying to say that from fib to the next high here, this is my mini, which is my 4 hours retracement for buying, which is 4 hours fib retracement for buying. Okay, so what is definitely is going to happen that it can't go up again. Okay, it has to come to this level. Okay, maybe not till this level, but it has to come to this level to go up, or if it's break this level, we'll have to see. Okay, let's go back to 1 hour and we'll see what is going to happen. Yes. So 1 hour also not saying something. So let's mark this on a 4 hours itself. On a 4 hours, how the price is going to happen is, yeah. So somehow it will break this, break this, break this, break this, will come till here. Now this is a decision time. Either it will go up or it will go down. Okay. If it's go up, it has the whole, it has a lot to cover till here. Okay, but if in case it comes down, then there is a level waiting for him here. Yeah, here, and then it can go down. So if you ask me, right, because it's a 4 hour flip, it will be great if prices comes from here and then go for a upside. Okay, if prices come till here and then go up, then still there is a liquidity which is leaving it here and it will again come down, because remember, the price action has to complete the double bottom here. So prices, the way I see, will come here. Okay, so if the price come here, book your 50% in case someone like me, like if you see, I'm already in short both in BTC and ETH, which is my live stream is going on. Okay, but if there is, and whatever I'm exactly showing you, the 50% is already blocked here. What is this area? My 50% is this, where I've already blocked this. So if you guys are also, block your 50% here, and then wait for the prices. So in case Sunday is crazy, okay, and something like this happens, which I don't think so will happen, a very bad news can do like this, then you have a support here, okay, which is very low level. So prices will go up, go up like this. Okay. So guys, this is what I think. I'm not even going for a 1 hour, 30 minutes, because if you see 1 hour, if you see what is this? There's nothing happening in ATH, right? So for my weekly analysis, I think weekly, daily, 4 hours is enough to give you an idea. Please have an idea that what you know, you should know. Keep an eye on a level, on these level, on a mark the fib level at your chart, mark the weekly and the daily support in your chart, and believe me guys, it will do wonders. Okay, yeah. Now now let's see what gold is gonna do. Okay, now gold, I have a high hope on this week with gold, and I tell you why. Okay, let me okay, there is already one trade is going on from my side in a gold. If you see on a weekly, this is where I've started my gold. uh, Okay, let me clear it out everything. Okay, and let me take you to weekly. Okay, what I tell you about this. On a weekly, the gold is like this. Okay, where it is going up, 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 and up again. Okay, so on a weekly, honestly, I don't even see a swing. There is a one swing here, but I don't think so that I should even consider that swing or not. The gold is on a higher and high format. Okay, so what I should do is I should go for a daily time frame, and I should see that this is where the double bottom happened, and I should consider all my analysis from here. Okay, from here till here, we have already seen that it has respected the zero point 0.5 area, which is nothing but my zero point 0.5 area here, which I'm going to mark it. Okay, this is my daily fib for buying here. And then, and if you see my weekly buying also somewhere started with the SL of this, but this is how fib works. So fib is the great tool. So the way I am seeing, okay, this is the AM is getting created, and I think AM will get fail here. When the price will come here, it will go for a buying in my gut feeling. But in case something like that doesn't happen, first let's mark this also. This is my, what we say, daily support, sorry, daily resistance. Okay. Now on a daily resistance, the prices are like this on a daily basis. Okay. In case this fib gets, although it should not happen, but it gets break, then how much downfall we are talking about here? Here we are talking about then somewhere like this. Okay. Even if I have should have note down that the wick also. So when you count the wick, the level will be somewhere like this here. So in case the prices gets broken out, right? Then your gold is waiting here. Okay. So if you ask me on a daily time frame itself, I'm trying, I'm not even going to 4 hour, 1 hour. If you ask me that if in case fib gets broken, okay, you should take a short entry from here, somewhere here to here with the SL of this, okay? Or the way like this, the way I have started this, I have gone for this, where I am saying that the gold will go like this again, and it will go till here. This is what my assessment of gold for the upcoming week. Okay, just for the because we have done this, let's see on the 4 hours also what gold is doing. On a 4 hours, it is on this path, which is again not a uh, great angle. Neither we can call it bullish, nothing. I mean, there's just a pattern which is coming. So, what gold is trying to say that gold is saying that it is coming to a fib level, okay, and on a fib level only, it will take a decision that so this is my decision time for gold. So, if you ask me, this block is nothing but my decision time, okay. If the gold come back to this or come below this level with one candle close with the retest, please go for short. In case gold come here, take a bullish candle get close, the retest happens, go for a bigger target. This is how the gold I'm seeing. Okay. Now, because we have done this BTC ETH gold, let's see the US oil also. What the happening in the US oil? Okay. Let me clear it out also for US oil, and let me take it to the weekly level here. Okay. On a weekly level, what US oil is trying to say that the US oil is like this. Okay. So this is definitely my weekly support. The US oil where it is standing currently, it is standing on a weekly support. Okay. And this is a weekly resistance, although it will, yeah, it went for the news. So weekly resistance. Okay. Now, if I convert this to a day time frame, on a day time frame, is it the slope like this? The slope is exactly like that. Okay. Okay. This is what my daily candle is coming to. Yeah. If I Is there any pattern creating? No, no, no. Head and shoulder, no. Reverse under shoulder, yeah. There is something is getting prepared here. On a weekly chart, on a weekly support, something, the price has already gone up here. Okay, here it came for a retest and it will go like this. Okay, so there is a bullish pattern is getting created on a downside. Let me take you to the 4 hours. Nothing, absolutely sideways on a weekly support, which is nothing but a daily support as well. On a 1 hour, nothing. Okay. Now because it's a daily, let me take you to daily again. On a US oil, it is like this. So daily from here, 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 here. On a daily, if I perform like this is my fib level as well. Okay. So if I put a rectangle inside the rectangle, and maybe mark this with some other different color, and the color for this will become yellow, maybe. Yeah, this is my fib. So fib support. Okay. The fib support, weekly support, daily support, this has become very good support. Okay. So my candle, if you ask me, I am bullish on US oil now. Okay. So US oil should be going like this. So on, let me see on a 1 hour. Oh man, this is not good. So let me go back to the weekly again, and let me do like this. On a daily, let me do like this. On a 1 hour, yeah. So if you see on a 1 hour, where how I'm gonna plan my US oil trade, it is like this. So what I'm gonna tell my US oil traders that the prices should come like this here. Okay. So one more thing what we can do is that 66, 64. So what we can do here on this has to be broken like this. Okay. Now what we can do is the either the price, let the price come here or the upside. If the prices come till here, we will take a trade here with this, and we will go very big target, guys. Very big, very, very big target. Okay. If no, if the prices directly get jumps, then like this. But I think prices are coming down for a minute, for some time, and then we will take a trade here. So our setup is this. Okay. This is my US oil setup, guys, on a daily time frame. Okay. I hope guys you have liked this, the all BTC, ETH, gold and US oil analysis. I know this has become a long video, but this is what the target is, right? What I will do is that in this video, I will put a timestamp also. Like say if you are interested only in BTC analysis, then go for this timestamp. If you are interested in ETS, then this time. If you are interested in US oil, then this timestamp. Please share with your friends, with your traders community. Guys, I'm doing my live streaming also on a weekdays 8 to next day 8 morning and the weekend the whole day. Please like and subscribe if you like this video, and I'll see you in the other videos. Thank you so much.